welcome to round 2 of Ben painting. Today I'm going to focus on the incredibly detailed model by Action 3D Studios designer Mitchell Klinger. The model took around about 5 days, I'd say, of work. This is mainly evening work and 1 or 2 days on the weekends. I used epoxy resin for the first time, which I think came out really well. And overall, it was a real joy to paint. So, yeah, I've tried to split it up and cover the process as much as possible. As always, I'm not a professional. This is just me in my flats painting. So, I hope it's interesting, hope it's of help, and as always, stay safe.